Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on zipping and unzipping files on your Mac. This will work whether you are using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or any other Apple computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To compress a folder or file into zip format, all you have to do is click it once to highlight it. Then click the File button from the top left of the screen. In the File menu, click Compress. If you have enabled right-click on your Mac, you can also just right-click the file and then select Compress. This will create a zipped file with your compressed file or folder inside. To unzip files on a Mac, literally all you have to do is double-click the zip file and it will automatically decompress to its original state. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.